In this exercise, we'll find the domain of a function. We will find the domain of the function f given by f of x equals 3 minus x over x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now, values of this function cannot be calculated when the denominator is 0. So what we're going to do is to find the values of x that are excluded from the domain. And we're just going to do that by setting the denominator equal to 0 and then solving for x. So I have x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 0. I can factor on the left side as x plus 1 times x plus 1. And that's equal to 0. And now I can use the principle of zero products. These factors are obviously identical, but the principle of zero products says that the first one can be 0 or the second one can be 0. We're subtracting 1 on both sides of each of these equations to get the solution. And we find that when x is negative 1, this denominator is 0. So we know that negative 1 cannot be in the domain of the function. That tells us then that the domain is the set of all x such that x is a real number and x is not equal to negative 1. Or we could express that in interval notation as negative infinity to negative 1 union negative 1 to infinity.